Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. You know, I really love appetizers, just something quick you can pick up and eat, and I in fact have a few on my channel. So today I'm going to give you another one, and it's a potato cheese ball, and if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like this video, you guys. It really does help my channel out a whole lot. Share it with everybody you know, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know. Okay, so enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So it's been really cold and chilly outside, and I decided to make some potato cheese balls. So the first thing I'm going to do is peel and chop up 4 medium russet potatoes. So I'm just going to rinse them off real quick, and then I'm going to head over to the stove because I'm going to add them to a pot of cold water, and then I'm going to season the cold water with some salt just so that the potatoes can cook with a lot of flavor. And I'm going to cook the potatoes until they're nice and tender. Now while the potatoes are cooking off, I'm going to create a dipping station for later. So the first dish I'm going to use is I'm going to add 1 cup of flour. And I'm going to season the flour with some sea salt and some black pepper. And I'm also going to add some garlic and onion powder. And just give it a good stir just to make sure that everything is combined really well. And now in a separate bowl, I'm going to add 2 eggs. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk and give it a good scramble. And in the last dish, I'm going to add 1 cup of Italian panko breadcrumbs. Now the cheese I'm going to use is some mozzarella cheese, and I really love this cheese because it melts really good. And I'm just going to cut it up and chop it up into some cubes. So I'm done chopping up my cheese and I'm done prepping everything. So my potatoes should be ready. So I'm going to go over to the stove and grab my cooked potatoes and drain them and just add them to a large bowl. So after smashing the potatoes, of course I got to season them up really good. So of course I'm going to add some sea salt and some black pepper. And some garlic and onion powder, pretty much the same seasonings I used for the flour that I seasoned earlier. Now for a little heat, I'm going to add just a teaspoon of chili pepper flakes and also a teaspoon of some smoked paprika. I really love this seasoning as well. So my potatoes are all done, and I'm just going to let them chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of chilling in the refrigerator, I'm just going to take a tablespoon and a cube of mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to begin rolling the potatoes into a ball. So now I want to create a crust, and the first thing I'm going to do is roll it around in some flour. And now I'm going to coat it really good with the egg wash. And at the very end, I'm going to dip it or coat it with the Italian panko breadcrumbs. Okay, so I'm done making all of my potato cheese balls, and before I cook them, I'm going to let them chill in the refrigerator between 30 minutes and an hour. So I've already heated up my vegetable oil, and now I'm going to start frying up my potato cheese balls, and I'm just going to let them fry in the oil between 2 and 3 minutes on all sides until they're nice and golden brown. So I'm done cooking up all of my cheese balls. I'm going to let them rest on a cooling rack and make sure to enjoy them while they're nice and hot. Look how amazing they look. And I'm going to break it apart and look how gooey and yummy that cheese looks. Perfect for a chilly day at home. But that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.